Happy Divine Namaste. Hi, this is Aaron Prateep Birla. I wish you happiness, prosperity, abundance, well being, and loads amount of money. Okay, so the truth is, every day I cannot come popping up in your messages or in your WhatsApp and sending you this warm wishes. So for that, I have come up with this Bank of Abundance Cosmic Credit Card. Now, first of all, let me tell you, this card, the first version of this card I created was in 2015. Yes, 2015 में पहली बार ये कार्ड बनाया था. दैट टाइम इट वाज अ प्लेन ग्रीन कलर का पेपर, हैंडमेड बनाया था. एंड उसके ऊपर सिंबल्स थे. स्पेशली द सिंबल वाज दिस वन, which is a circle, and there's a triangle, and then there is a 6-pointed star and a dot inside it, and the number 11235813213499. Now, truly speaking, nobody knows the source of this. ये कहाँ से शुरुआत हुआ किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं है. मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया था वो टाइम पे भी, और ये कार्ड बनाने से पहले भी आई ट्राइड डूइंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ रिसर्च, बट आई कुडंट कम अप कि ये सोर्स क्या है. बट इट वर्क्स. That is the biggest fact, that it works. Now, basically, you all know that in all my workshops and personal sessions, when it comes to money, I never recommend keeping a credit card, because credit is a liability. Credit card keeping in the wallet, okay, or in your purses, मैं कभी recommend नहीं करता हूँ. But this credit card, I would love to recommend that you should have in your wallet, because most important part is it is limitless, and the repayment has to be done through your selfless services. Now, when you say selfless service, मतलब आप इस क्रेडिट को, इस अबेंडेंस को, इस प्रॉस्पेरिटी को, इस वेल्थ को, इस पैसे को आप अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करें, बट आप सेल्फलेसली किसी और की भी मदद करें. दैट इज़ द ओनली कंडीशन अप्लाइड फॉर यूजिंग दिस क्रेडिट कार्ड. देर इज़ नो रीपेमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॉनिटरी, जैसे नॉर्मल क्रेडिट कार्ड्स में होता है. So that is one. Secondly, what I have done is, to enhance the power, I have placed a cornucopia in the background with gold coins, with the horseshoe, four-leaf clover. These are all signs of wealth, prosperity, abundance, well-being, good luck, and so on and so forth. Apart from that, if you see, this is called Prosperado. Now, whenever you have a Prosperado in your wallet, you will always have money. That is the beauty about this Prosperado. It's a radionic. It's not an energy circle. Please do not get confused. It's a radion. It's not a sigil also. It's not, what do you say, symbols which are related to money or something. It is basically a radionic graph which is used for attracting more money and having money always with you all the time. And it is supposed to be placed within the money. मतलब जहाँ पे आप पैसा रखते हैं, इसको आपको उस सिंबल को उधर होना चाहिए. जैसे दो बैंक के नोट के बीच में, वो भले 10 रुपये का नोट हो, 500 का नोट हो. अभी 500 के ऊपर तो कुछ आता नहीं है, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. सो वॉट एवर इट इज़, it has to be kept within that. Now, it has that chip wala design, it has wireless wala design. There is a special symbol which enhances the energy of the entire card. Now, this card is a self cleansing card. The beauty about this card कि मैंने इसको ऐसा क्यों बनाया है, मतलब इस तरीके से बनाया है compared to whatever cards are available. And I was actually disappointed, truly speaking, to the because बहुत सारे बैंक ऑफ अबेंडेंस कार्ड मार्केट में अभी अवेलेबल हैं, and they are not on the right track according to the science, not according to me. According to the science, according to the working, and according to the conditioning of the cards, they are not in sync, and they will not give you that results what you are expecting. It's just a card. So I have placed a energy symbol which is 24/7 cleansing your wallet. That is most important part. Cleansing your money which is there in your wallet, in your purse, that is again most important part. And energizing your wallet at the same time, wallet or purse. Okay, so it has to be placed, this card has to be placed between the money, that is दो बैंक के नोट के बीच में रखना है. Now, the bonus part is the back side of the card. Back side of the card, you can see we have our lovely mouse which is sitting on a gold coins. अगर आप देख रहे हैं बराबर, I don't know, हाँ gold coins है. Then here you have Shrimka Radionic, which you all have known. जो people those who have bought Radionics from me, they know कि Shrimka Radionic has given amazing results, and there are certain symbols on the top of the card and bottom, which is again for wealth, money, prosperity and well-being. Apart from that, rather writing and regular affirmation, I have written 4+1 phrase of Ho'oponopono technique, which is dear money, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I forgives myself. I forgives myself is the fifth statement of Ho'oponopono. So जिन लोग को Ho'oponopono मालूम है तो they know what does this mean. And the best part is कि ये को आप तो बोलते हो नहीं बोलते हो, that's a different story. But see, when you keep an affirmation inside the wallet, आपके affirmation क्या रहेंगे? I am a money magnet, money comes to me continuously and so on and so forth, which is not doing good until unless you repeat it. ठीक है? But when you say dear money, I love you, I am sorry, and this when you place in the wallet, it is basically directly connecting you to the money energies. तो भले आप बोलना भूल जाएं, but this is 24/7 working in your wallet, and it is saying sorry to your wallet, it is saying sorry to your money, it is saying love you to your money, it is asking for forgiveness, and it is saying thank you for being there. That is why it works. Now, to use this card, as I said, you just have to simply place into your wallet between the two currency notes and it will start working. To make it more effective, more powerful, and you want to manifest your cherished desires, अगर आपको अपने desires, specific desires जल्दी manifest करने हैं तो आपने ये कार्ड अपने वॉलेट से निकालना है. सुबह नहाने के बाद में अपना सारा मतलब जो काम ख़त्म करके जब आप ऑफिशियल बिजनेस में लग रहे हैं या आप नहा धो के फ्रेश हो गए, रिमूव दिस कार्ड, गेज the energies of this card for few seconds, absorb all the gold coins, all the elements, the horseshoe, the the four-leaf clover, the radionic symbol and the other symbols which are there. Just इसको 2 सेकंड गेस करें और फिर कार्ड को टर्न करके ये जो हमारे मूषक मामा हैं, द माउस, उनके कान में आप अपना चेरिश्ड डिज़ायर बोले. उसके बाद आपने इनको ऐसे लेफ़्ट पाम में रखना है. सॉरी, ये मेरा लेफ़्ट पाम है बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग द रिकॉर्डिंग, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि और राइट पाम से कवर करना है. एंड विजुलाइज फॉर 3 minutes दैट योर चेरिश्ड डिज़ायर इज़ ऑलरेडी मैनिफेस्टेड. और उसके बाद में इसको थैंक यू बोल के कार्ड को वापस से अपने वॉलेट में रखना है. इट वर्क्स 100%. मेरे खुद के वॉलेट में ये मिलेगा. जब भी आप लोग आ जाओ, एनी टाइम, you will always find this card, the one which I am giving it to you, without any modifications, without any changes. The same card is there in my wallet. For more details, please connect to me. My number is mentioned below. Any questions, feel free to ask. Till then, take care, God bless, and make a fantastic life ahead.